Welcome to the Swish Pattern, one of the fastest and most effective NLP techniques for replacing unwanted habits and automatic responses. You have automatic reactions. See trigger, feel urged, do behavior. Your brain has learned these patterns so well they happen without thinking. Swish Pattern rewires this. You'll create two images. The trigger that starts the unwanted behavior, and an image of you after you've changed. The new you, who doesn't need that behavior anymore. Then you'll swish. The old image shrinks away. The new image rushes in. Fast, automatic. Your brain learns a new pattern. See trigger. Think of new you instead. This takes about 6 minutes. And it works. Let's rewire that habit. Think of a habit or automatic response you want to change. Something that happens without thinking. A craving. An impulse. A reaction. Got it? Good. Now, identify the trigger. The moment right before the behavior. What do you see right before you do the habit? If it's reaching for your phone, maybe you see your hand moving toward it. If it's eating junk food, maybe you see yourself opening the cupboard. If it's snapping at someone, maybe you see their face. Create a clear image of this trigger moment. See it through your own eyes, not watching yourself, but as yourself. What do you see? Make it vivid, clear. This is your trigger image. Got it? Good. Now, create a different image, an image of you. After you've changed this habit, not you resisting the habit, you as someone who's already beyond it. What does this version of you look like? How do you stand? How do you move? What's your energy like? This is you who doesn't need that habit anymore. You're confident, free, powerful, healthy. Whatever qualities you'd have without this habit, embody them in this image. Make this image attractive, compelling. This is who you're becoming. Important. See this from the outside. Looking at yourself, not through your own eyes. You're seeing the new you, the person you're moving toward. Make it bright, colorful, appealing. This image should pull you forward. Got it? Good. This is your desired image. Now, we're going to swish. This is the rewiring. Start with the trigger image. See it big and clear in front of you. Place the desired image, you after you've changed, as a small, dim dot in the bottom right corner of the trigger image. Now, here's the swish. In less than 1 second, the trigger image shrinks down to nothing while the desired image explodes to full size, bright and vivid. Swish. Old shrinks away, new rushes in. Fast. Then, clear your mind, Shake it off. Think of something else for a moment. Ready to do it again? Good. Trigger image. Big and clear. Desired image, small and corner. Swish. Old shrinks, new explodes. Even faster this time. Clear. Shake it off. Again. Trigger image, big. New you small, in corner. Swish. Old vanishes, new takes over. Rapid. Clear. Again. Trigger, big. New you tiny. Swish. Faster. Old disappears. New fills the screen. Clear. Fifth time. Trigger image. New you. In corner. Swish. Lightning fast. Old gone. New here. Clear. Sixth time. Set it up. Swish. Automatic now. Old shrinks. New dominates. Clear. One more. Final swish. Swish. Perfect. The new pattern is set. Clear your mind. Take a breath. The rewiring is complete. Now let's test this. Think about the trigger, the moment that used to start the unwanted behavior. What happens in your mind now? Do you automatically see the new you? Does the trigger image want to shrink away? If it does, perfect. The swish is working. Your brain has learned the new pattern. If the old image is still strong, do 3 to 5 more swishes right now. Make them even faster, even more explosive, until the new image dominates. Now imagine a future situation where this trigger would appear. See yourself in that moment. Notice that instead of the old automatic response, your brain goes to the new image. The new you, the person who's beyond this habit. This is your new automatic pattern. Trigger appears. Brain swishes to the new you. Automatic. Effortless. Take a breath. The rewiring is complete. You've just rewired a neural pathway. The old trigger no longer leads to the old behavior. It leads to an image of the new you. Over the next few days and weeks, you might notice the habit losing its pull, the urge weakening, the automatic response not happening. That's the swish working. Your brain has learned a new pattern. If you need to strengthen it, come back to this meditation and do more swishes. The more you practice, the stronger the new pathway becomes. Take a final deep breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Open your eyes when ready. The old pattern is fading. The new you is emerging. Well done. A quick note before we finish. Swish Pattern is a self-help technique for changing unwanted habits and automatic responses. It's very effective for cravings, impulses, and behavioral patterns you want to shift. However, for severe addictions, compulsive behaviors that significantly impair your life, or behaviors rooted in trauma or mental health conditions, please work with a qualified therapist or addiction specialist. This technique is a tool for personal growth and habit change. It complements professional treatment, but doesn't replace it when professional help is needed. Use this wisely and celebrate the changes you create. Thank you for practicing with me.